What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video here. Man, she is dirty. She needs a bath. She needs a bath. Man, this front lip. I don't know, man. I don't know how I feel about this. I will take that lip off because as you can see, I think the lip is too flexible. Now you see how it's hot and now it's like deformed or something. I don't know what the heck is going on here. Now as you guys can remember, if you guys remember, I had a carbon fiber lip, but that one lasts only 3 weeks. It was cracked. I think I'm probably going to get one again, but I just don't. I mean, it's about 350 bucks. I don't want to spend on it, but that one is an eBay, but it's all right. It's too soft, so now it looks like crap. The thing is with these cars, these especially 2011 to 13, when they did that front bumper refresh, you cannot find a good front lip for these cars. Now 08 to 2010, there's a lot of them, but for this one, not so much. Now, by the title of this video, we are going to check a Lexus IS-F. So yeah, let's go. Let's make it happen. All right. Let's get that warm start. People are still doing work from the hurricane, which is crazy. Now that place is here in my town. Damn it, I missed the light. It's a 2013 IS-F, a white one. Not my favorite color, but I just want to get something fresh on the channel. I'm trying to get this Supra, but with the interest rate and all that, it's an expensive car. I don't wanna. If I buy it, it's for YouTube, you know. So I gotta buy something that actually work, that can pay for itself. But that one, I think they're asking about 31K, so we'll see. So that doesn't mean I won't get this Supra, because I don't even know if I'm gonna get the car. I'm just gonna go check it out. So I guess I will see you guys when I'm there. All right, boys, I think that's the car right here. Yep, that's it. Oh, there goes my front lip. There it is. The 2013 white. Let's check it out. All right, boys, that's the car. I mean, it looks nice. That's the back seat. Again, it's a 2013 model year. That's the front Alcantara. It looks nice, except for I think the person who had this car had a silence his time, and then they did some stuff. The trunk looking messy a little bit. It's nice to have memory seats here. That's the steering wheel with the blue. And yeah, man, it's not too bad. We're gonna go for a drive and we'll see what happened. I'll check the Carfax and stuff and see how it goes. Right here it seems like the bumper is not even. I don't know if this was an accident or not. I have to check, but we'll find out. Start this baby up. It sounds good though.
Yeah, yeah, for stock it sounds pretty good.
Yeah, yeah.
Nothing too crazy, but it's definitely noticeable.
I just squeaked my bumper.
I think I heard that when it came in.
Yeah, right
it's
there.
Pretty steep. You got to go like at an angle.
Yeah, I did. My car is lowered a little bit, not much, but it's still scraped.
Yeah.
At least it's not the bumper, it's just the front lip, you know.
Yep. Yep.
I don't want to rev it too much because you just start up the car.
Yep. I appreciate that.
Huh?
I said I appreciate that.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Some people just like to get in it and go.
No, I'm not like that.
Yeah.
Of course, there's a cop there.
Yep. It's like everything's still in the snow. Yeah. Especially when you're higher up on the RPMs.
Oh yeah. Sounds good. All right, so we just got back from a test drive. Car feels great. I mean, 141,000 miles. It feels great. It's stuff for those. There's a little chip there and right here, but that's not a problem. Car, I'm gonna check the price and Carfax and all that, but yeah, man, car is nice. We're gonna just go home and talk about the plans that I have. If it work out, then I'll come here and get a car. If it doesn't, then we'll see. All right guys, just like that, I'm home and we're gonna talk about some stuff. So this car, I wanna, if I get a car, I want to get it for the channel. Like, I don't wanna have to use my money to put any payment on. I just wanna go to my bank, which is what I'm about to do now, and see how it goes. I want to get his car for YouTube if it's happened and see how it goes. Maybe the car can pay for itself, so I don't have to pay money out of pocket. Now I'm still planning to get this Cooper. That's the main focus, but I just thought that since his car is an IS-F and I don't have the Cooper yet, maybe I can bring his car to the channel and it'll help the channel a little bit. And if it's happened, if everything goes smooth, like I can get a car and see how it does on YouTube, and then if it works out, pay for itself, I'll keep the car. But if it doesn't, I'll just sell the car right away, because I want to get the car for YouTube to make content and have it pay for itself. Now let's go to the paperwork. This is the service record that they pointed for me, but I can do this myself as well. As you can see here, the value plate was done at some point at 98,000 miles. So this car has one owner, and the owner has been here in Fort Myers the whole time. Now let's take a look at the Carfax. As you can see here, the car was on a minor accident. Well, it does not say accident, it says damage reported, like minor damage. So, and this is all this service record, and the damage happened in July 24, 2017. So that's when it happened. Now for the price, they were asking $32K. So I talked to them, they'll do $30,900, as you can see, plus tax and fees. Now I do have credit at TNV when I sold my Honda. So as you can see here, this is the fee for title and tag, and the total price would be $33,249. So like I said, I'm not planning on using my own money for this. I'll check with the bank with the rate, and whatever happens, I'll just get a car and start making videos, and then if it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. All right guys, I hope you guys have a good day, good night, good afternoon, and I will see you guys in the next one.